The overall goal of this video is to demonstrate a basic procedure to prepare and test plant seed-based products as wood adhesives. This is accomplished by first preparing the adhesive slurry using a working plant seed meal and water. The second step is to apply the adhesive slurry onto one end of two wood veneer strips. Next, bond the two wood strips by overlapping their tacky adhesive coated areas and then hot pressing them. After conditioning, the final step is to measure the tensile shear strength at break of the bonded wood pairs. Ultimately, the shear strength at break is reported as the adhesive strength with the treatment conditions indicated.
This method provides a simple way to prepare and test plant seed-based products as wood adhesives. It would be helpful in the effort in seeking economic and environment-friendly formulations of bio-based wood adhesives. Also demonstrating the procedure will be Dorselyn Chapital, a chemist from my laboratory.
The first step is to prepare the water-washed meal. Begin with commercially available defatted cottonseed meal. Use a cyclone sample mill to produce the working meal by grinding the defatted meal through a 0.5 mm steel screen. Retrieve the working meal from the grinder's outlet. Use a portion of the working meal to prepare the water-washed meal. Measure a quantity of working meal and place it in the jar of a blender. For every 25 grams of meal in the vessel, add 200 milliliters of water.